In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy Treasury Bills or T-bills from Fidelity. It's very simple. You're gonna come from up here to News and Research. Okay, click on it, and then you come down to Fixed Income Bonds and CDs. Once it loads, we come down here to New Issues. And then you wanna click on Treasury. And these are the current options available to be bought. Now, you can choose them by maturity date. So you can see when they are maturing, these ones here, maturing in November. I'm filming this in September. This maturing in December, this maturing next year. And then you have the ones that are longer. So you can choose by maturity date, or you can choose by expected yield. I usually choose by expected yield, and you can see that the highest one at the moment is this first one here. So we're gonna click on the description, and that's gonna take you to the page where you can actually buy it. So we are going to click, you can see here the description again, expected yield, maturity date, etc. So you're gonna click on buy. Now this has opened a new page, so we're gonna select the account where you're buying it from. And the quantity really important here. So each bond, one bond equals 1,000. So if you put one in here, you are going to be buying 1,000 worth of T-bills. If you put 10, you're going to be buying 10,000 worth of T-bills. Another thing that is really important is if you want this to auto roll or not. So if you do sign up for auto roll, it will reinvest the money to a similar investment once you reach the maturity period. I usually select yes, because you see this one here is only 3 months, so I do want to keep this invested, so I will select yes, I want this to auto roll. If you don't want this to auto roll to be reinvested, you just want the money back, then you just click on no. But I recommend you select yes. Okay, go ahead and preview order. And now it's telling you you're buying 10, and it's telling you settlement date. This is when the transaction actually will post. So this is September 25th, today is September 21st, so it takes a few days. I'm going to buy it. The yield, it's right here. Trade date, it's going to trade on the 23rd, so in a couple of days. And do you want to auto roll? Yes. And you place your order.